Hey, what's happening, all you beautiful people? We're back working on the Hellcat. In the last video, got the rear link system set up on this guy, and today what we're gonna do is not the other side, because I've done the other side. I didn't think that you guys would really care about watching the other side since we've already done this. It's turned out really good. So I've got these upper tabs mounted in, everything's good to go there, and then I built lower tabs to, you know, obviously we've got to have lower tabs, so I've got that done. So it's looking pretty good. It's looking really good. I'm very satisfied with how everything's turned out. Like I say, I've got this side all done, so basically it's exact same as the other side, except all the bends and all the tabs and everything are different, but other than that it's the same. So my plan here for today is I was kind of at a loss of exactly where we're going to go and what we're going to do, but I'm at the point now where this is basically all just tacked together, and I need to take this thing apart, take everything out, get the diff out, get the drive line out, get the transfer case out, and get this thing welded solid. There's so much welding that needs to be done on this, so that's my deal. Is I'm getting to the point where I'm almost ready to start thinking about getting it to move. I got to get it welded up, so that's the plan. Gonna get everything yarded off and start burning some MIG wire. There we have it. It's torn down. It actually came apart. I, honest to God, did not think that that was going to come apart. I was so worried because before, like when I first started to do it, I didn't have all the bars and everything in there, and I knew it was kind of took a little bit of tweaking to get everything to fit in before, but now that there's so much other stuff in the way, it was a bit of a process. It didn't come out too bad, but putting it together, I'm definitely going to need another set of hands. All in all, though, we're ready to start doing some final welding, and man, this takes me back. You know what I mean? Like, I remember back when I first started this project and having everything just cut and nothing there, and a ring gear sitting on a chair, my little stool at the shop at the farm. We've got the drive line. Kind of looks a little goofy. And now here we are. We've got it basically done. The rear subframe is basically there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take off my decorative plates and all that kind of stuff, and I'm going to burn this thing in. I'm going to weld as much as I can. I want to get as much welding as I can done, because once I put it together, I want it to be done. So that's the plan. I may eventually here, I may have to remove the motor just for access the weld in on the inside here, and then obviously I want to get everything cleaned up. This thing's a mess, and kind of go through it, but that's the plan. So I'll break out the welder, got a fresh bottle. I know I got lots of wire, so I shouldn't have any excuses on why I can't get this thing finished up. we've got the back plates all welded up. All the tubing is welded, which actually went pretty good. I was surprised. You know, you always kind of find another one that's not welded, but it actually went a lot quicker than I thought it was going to go. I thought this was going to take a lot longer than it actually did, so that's pretty sweet. I can say that these bad boys ain't coming off anytime soon. I hope I don't have to remove them. But yeah, we're basically there. This is welded. This is done-ish before, you know, paint. I'd still obviously have to do some welding back in there, but like I say, I think I kind of want to get that motor taken out, go through it and kind of refresh it, make sure everything's good, and then I can finish up there. So at this point, I think we're basically done. I don't really know anything else that I can do moving forward that's really worth filming. Like, I've got those tubes to burn in, but that's minor. And then I've got to make new rod ends, or new link bars, but I don't have any tubing here to do that. So with that being said, I think we're going to call it here on that one. Basically a short video, but it's a progress video. We're getting stuff done. And yeah, like I say, I appreciate each and every one of you guys that tune in, watch me work on this frickin' thing, and you know, support me. I really truly do appreciate it. And well, yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.